Professor Walton, I don't get it. How am I supposed to do week 1 assignments in English 110? I don't get it. I'm confused. Can you explain it to me? I don't know what to do. Absolutely. Let's go through it together. So as you guys will see, you guys will have access to this assignment, week 1 assignments, from 5:30 a.m. on Tuesday, January 16th. This is the first day of class, through 12 p.m. on Saturday, January 20th. Okay? This assignment is worth 15 points, so you guys can go ahead and know how much it's worth. Now, please understand, this first week of assignments, it is required. So if you don't complete the first week of assignments, you won't have access to the rest of the content in this course, aka weeks 2 through 16 of English 110. Okay, so let's go through this guy together. So first thing I have here is this week is about becoming acclimated to the course and online learning. Here I have your instructions. Complete assignments 1 through 6 for this week. Understand that students must submit all 6 assignments to this folder, the module. Assignment number 6 offers some assistance with submitting more than one assignment to a single Canvas submission. Failure to submit all 6 assignments to the module will result in a 3-point deduction. So that means I have a lot of assignments, or I have at least 5 other assignments in this folder. You have to submit them to modules, okay? And we'll go through that together, all right? If you have any questions or problems with submitting on Canvas, please contact Canvas. Okay, there's a 24-hour chat line. There is a Canvas hotline, the phone line, and then there's the some how-to guides there. Now, this one I would probably say would be the quickest. Now, I can't tell you how quickly they respond, but this will probably be the quickest response. Then your Canvas hotline, I don't know when they're available. And then finally your how-to guide, you can just click on it, but you'd have to read and scroll and find what you're looking for, okay? But if you have problems with your computer, your IT, or whatever, stuff like that, you'll need to contact IT help at 309-694-5457. Please understand, guys, if you have IT help problems, technology problems, I can't help you. I am only teaching this class. I don't know anything about tech. So if you have tech problems, call the tech lab. If you have Canvas problems, reach out to Canvas support. If you say to me, Professor, I don't know what my password is, I'm going to say to you, go to ICC Tech Help. If you say to me, Professor, I don't know how to submit this assignment, I'm going to say, reach out to Canvas support. Okay, so a lot of this is going to be you guys figuring this out on your own. Okay, now let's go through this guide together. I had to say that just so we know. Okay. Oh, and by the way, if you decide to reach out to these folks, I would reach out to them before 11 a.m. on Wednesday, January 17th, which is tomorrow. And then also, if you're going to reach out to IT help, reach out by this time. This will guarantee that you have enough time to do whatever they tell you to do to complete the assignment or complete whatever problem you have or fix whatever problem you have. Okay, moving right along. Assignment number 1, what I want you to do is watch the video that I have for you, that I created for you guys. There's this video and this video, okay? These are 2 separate videos. Watch the Welcome to English Online Anytime, and then also watch the Canvas navigation video, okay? For each one of these videos, to show proof that you've done it, you need to answer these questions, okay? And I'll show you guys how to put this into Canvas a little bit later. Okay, next, what I want you guys to do for assignment number 2, you're going to view this video. It's 2 minutes about myths about online learning. And then I have a 40-word question or about 3 points that you found interesting in the video. Next, I want you guys to read the course syllabus. And then I want you to talk about what interests you about this course. Okay, 30 words here. All right, next, I want you guys to take the 10-question Understanding English 110 with Professor Walton quiz. Okay, this will be based off of what you learned here. Okay, so if you didn't do this, it's going to be hard to do this. Okay, please understand, you have to pass this quiz with at least a 90% in order to have access to the rest of the course. So if you either don't take the quiz or you don't pass it with a 90, you don't have access to the rest of the course, okay? I'm just letting you guys know that ahead of time, just so you know. There was an announcement posted about it. It is in this module, in the first module. So there, you guys have been notified a few different places that you have to pass that quiz with a 90%. And I'm telling you right now, it's not that hard. If you go through these guys and, sorry, where's it at? Go through these 3 assignments. So this assignment, and this assignment. This quiz is going to be super easy peasy breezy. There's no way you shouldn't pass it with a 90. Okay? But if you don't do these 3 things first, it'll be very difficult to pass that. Okay? And I kind of say that here. All right? Moving right along. Then I want you guys to complete the discussion board. And unfortunately, I don't know why the discussion board is not connected there, but I will have it connected by the time you guys see this video. Okay, you will need to answer discussion board. I'm actually going to go into it so you guys can see it. Give me a second. Okay, I fixed it. So what you want to do is go into discussion board. You're going to click on this guy. And I want you guys to complete both parts of discussion board. The first one is your response to me and these questions. Most folks ask, Professor Walton, do I have to answer all of those questions? Yes. The answer is always yes. If I give you more than one question, you always have to answer all of them. Okay? So answer this part first, and also keep in mind you won't be able to see this part 2, until you've done this. Okay? So you won't be able to complete this part until you've done this part, basically. Okay? Next, after you've answered my questions, you're going to respond to other students. Please understand, again, you will not be able to see other students' replies until you have answered my questions. And I do have a video right here showing you guys how to post to discussion board. So just in case you need it, it is right there. Okay. And I think I re-record this video, so it may not be sideways. But anyway, so that's the video right there to see how to post discussion board. Okay. Now let's go back. Can I go back? Okay. Next. For the last assignment, what I have you guys doing is submitting all 5 of these assignments to Canvas, the Canvas module, okay? So you may be asking, well, Professor Walton, there's 5 assignments here and I can only submit one thing. Well, that is true. I have a solution for you guys. What I want you guys to do is use this Google Docs worksheet. Click on this guy. As soon as we get there, you are going to have to make a copy. Let me just show you that guy right now. So if we go into our file, make a copy. As soon as we get there, we're going to title this as something else and then make a copy. I'm not going to make a copy because it'll mess it up for you guys. But anyway, after you make the copy, you'll be able to write on this. Okay, so you're going to submit all the things. So here I have a place where you can answer the questions from these 2 videos. Okay, and then here I have your myths about online learning and your 3 points. You write your answer down there. Or wait, actually, let's go back here. Write your answer right here. Write your answer right there. All of these guys have places where you can write your answer. And even if you don't see the red words that say it, you still write your answer next to it, okay? So hopefully all of that makes sense. Remember, you cannot write on this worksheet if you are not signed into Google, okay? And also, if you don't make a copy of it, you also can't write on it, okay? So keep those 2 things in mind. After you've written everything you needed to write, then I want you guys to go up to the share button, okay? Upper right-hand corner, share. Now what you're going to do is, I already have it set as anyone with link, but after you've made a copy, it's going to be back at restricted, okay? So that means you have to go down to the general access section, click on it, and type anyone with link. Then you're going to make me a commenter, so that way I can put comments on your submission, and then copy link. All right, that means link is copied. Okay, I'm actually going to change this back to viewer. Okay, done. All right, so then when I make my copy of my link, hold on, let me get back to my assignment. I can copy paste my link back into my submission. I do actually have another video that'll be helpful in helping you guys submit a website URL to a Canvas assignment. So unfortunately, I can't finish it because Canvas is not allowing me to show this to you as a student. So That's fun. Well, actually, let me see. Well, there's student view right there. Let's see. Yeah, okay, back to me. So I'm gonna post a video for you guys just to kind of show you how to make a copy and submit your Canvas assignment as a website URL. Okay, hopefully all of that made sense. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys create. Have a good one.